Alright, Lindley, here's how to run a bobcat. Make sure your bar's down. Then there's always a push to operate button somewhere. And so this is ISO. This one up, brings your boom up, down. So out, dumps and curls. And then this one is your drive. So forward is forwards, backwards is backwards, left is left, right is right. Any combination of those. And then, if you want to switch it, you can go to H, which is really going to mess with your brain. And so, forward on this one moves the right or the left side of the bobcat forward, and right is that, and then out, dumps and curls just like before, and then this one out up, left down. So in order to go around, you gotta go like this. So ISO is preferred because it makes driving a whole lot easier. And then this one's a hand and foot. So that, just like the other one, this does one side, this does the other side, and then this foot goes your boom up and down. So you can tip forward, go down, pull back, and this one forward out, back in. So that's that one.